Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm happy you're here. I'm playing with a little bit of a different camera angle and I hope that it works out okay. I am so tired of constantly seeing big reflection of my lights and my camera from up above, so we're going to give this a go. I did a swipe about 10 or 11 months ago that is my all-time favorite swipe, and I wanted to do something kind of similar, but I've changed the colors up a little bit, and that's okay. We're working today on a reused 18 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas, and our base coat is already down. Our base coat today is Rustoleum Metallics, and this is the real pewter. I love these metallic paints by Rustoleum. I especially love them for my base coat. They look like satin sheets. I love the texture and the bit of lines that you get in here. To me, it adds a wonderful interest to the painting. But our pouring medium today is 50% Floetrol and 50% Golden GAC 800. That's generally my pouring medium for all of my swipes. My base coat is the same consistency as my swipe colors. That's one of the questions I get asked almost daily. Let's talk about our swipe colors. In this yummy cup right here, we have golden fluid acrylics, and that is the iridescent pearl. As you all know, if you've been following me, one of my most favorite colors. In this cup, we have golden fluids, and this is the iridescent bright gold fine. Real pretty color. All the golden paints warm my heart, guys. This is golden fluids, and that is their iridescent silver. Golden fluids, the Q word, nickel azo gold. I have a heck of a time with that Q word, guys. What's in this color? Oh, in this color is more of our base coat, the Rustoleum Pewter. And in this cup right here, we have a mix of the golden fluids carbon black, and I added to it because I like this paint. This is the metallic paints by Modern Masters, and this is the black pearl. So I started off with this, added a little of this until I got it to the hue that I wanted. Let's take a look at it. It's more like a gunite kind of black, which I'm sure is very hard to see. It has a bit of a silver undertone to it. So all our paints are mixed up. Our base coat is down. Let me go ahead and show you the consistency. It leaves very little trace when the paint pours off the popsicle stick into the cup below, guys. Part of that is because my pouring medium is fluid because of the GAC 800, and all of the paints that I'm using today are fluid paints. So I like fluid paints with my swipes. It just glides over nice and easy. Our swiping tool of choice are damp paper towels. I lay them all in a stack, and then I use a squeeze bottle of water and put about an inch of water down, flip it over, do the other side, and just stack them off to the side. So we're going to put some tunes on. I'm going to rock and roll today. Hopefully you'll rock and roll with me, guys. Let's go ahead and let's get busy.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking. You got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Can you feel the 7799? Tell me you do. Baby, I can't wait, begin. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.